I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the Swift on a level surface and setting the handbrake. This prevents movement while you work. Open the boot, remove the trim, and lift out the jack assembly. Identify whether the scissor jack has stripped threads, bent arms, or seized screw. While inspecting, apply penetrating oil to the screw threads and pivot points. This reveals whether lubrication fixes stiffness or if parts are physically damaged. Once you know the failure mode, decide if you will repair the screw, replace the nut, or swap the entire jack. You now secure the jack by clamping its pivot or placing blocks under the base to prevent slipping. Loosen and remove the retaining nut or end bolt on the lead screw. Keep fasteners in order for reassembly. If the screw threads are worn, replace the nut and any washers, or swap in an OEM replacement screw. Cross-threading will ruin the repair, so thread carefully. Once the screw turns smoothly by hand, clean and grease all pivot points. Then test extend the jack slowly to confirm correct travel and load bearing. Reassemble the jack in the reverse order, making sure washers and spacers return to original positions, and torque fasteners snugly, but without over-tightening, which binds movement. Mount the jack beneath the recommended lift point on the Swift and perform a controlled test lift under caution. Raise only enough to confirm smooth operation and stability. If the jack drives smoothly and holds load, reinstall in the car. If you encounter slipping, unusual play, or bending under test, stop. Replace the entire jack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.